Welcome you all for today's class. Today we are going to start with the VTU syllabus. Uh, the first module. The first part is your introduction part, and in that the first topic comes as your software crisis. Let's see what is the meaning of your software crisis. Simultaneously, you can note down all the points. I will go very slowly. And in this software crisis, now let's see what is the meaning of your software crisis. This means that the turning point that the software developers, those who are encountering on your software development, the total time period, how much they are taking, it depends on the software crisis. If they will take the more time period to produce any of the software, so that also we can say it as your software crisis. That is one way of your software crisis. And also this software crisis is also represent the various problems which is going to be faced by the software developers in the software development process. So while doing any kind of software development process, we have some process, some life cycles are there. While doing that one, if any of the software developers faces any problems, that also comes under your software crisis. So first thing is, to understand this software crisis, first we have to see the one of the like example I can give you. The example is, suppose let's take it as a software industry. So what is happening there in the software industry? Sometimes what will happen is, like, if whatever the softwares it is going to be sold out, that software cost will increase day by day. So if you are purchasing any kind of software and if it is very expensive than your hardware purchase, then what will happen? Slowly the graph will come down. No one will go and no one will buy the softwares. So in this way, the hardware and the software cost depends on your software crisis. This is also a major fact where the software is getting crisis. So here you can see one more thing also. Like in this, there are variety factors. The some of the factors I have noted in my slide. You can see that slides: increasing size or volume. Suppose if your software size is more, then what will happen? While sometimes what will happen is, while in the development side, while executing the program or some softwares and all, as the size is very big or it is very large size, it will take more space in the system, and due to that sometimes the software will get delayed and it will take more time also. So that time the software crisis will happen. The next one also, you can say that one more thing is there in this increasing size or volume, that is the software purchase cost. If it will be more than your higher than your software like hardware purchase, then definitely no one will go and buy the software. So that is also one of the crisis which is happening in this industry. One more thing is, the second point is lowered productivity. Now, what is the meaning of this lowered productivity? The product, whatever the software is giving to us, if it will not been used or if it has already been come out in the previously, so what will happen is no one will buy the used one. So that will create the less productivity. In that way also, in the market, the software will not sold out. That is also a kind of your software crisis. The next one will be your lack of skilled staff. So what is a lack of skilled staff? Suppose in your company, to produce any of the good softwares, if you have very lack of there will be no one who is having the skilled staff, those who will be knowing the or updated by themselves with the latest technology. If there will be very less kind of staffs are there, so definitely you cannot produce a good software. If you cannot if you cannot produce a good software, then definitely this one will come under your software crisis. The next is inadequate software training. Suppose in the software industry, suppose if they want to do a good software under some of the latest technology, but if they will not provide the training to their staffs, then definitely they cannot produce the good softwares. That is also a one kind of software crisis in the software industry. The next one is your growing demand for more softwares. Sometimes what will happen is all the software products, it will be very difficult to alter or to maintain or to enhance or to debug or to modify it. That time what will happen is all the customers will demand that they want the variety, the maintenance of the softwares. That time you have to maintain the software by giving the new versions of that. So that is also a kind of your software crisis. So in this way, these all are some points which provides you the idea of your software crisis, and these all are the factors. And some more crisis will be like what will happen is sometimes the software products get crashed for due to some of the specific reason, it will get crashed. That is also a kind of your software crisis. And one more way is also I want to tell you that the delivery of the software product, if you have told within the specified budget or within the specified time, but you are unable to produce that software so within the scheduled time, then that is also a cause of your software crisis. So these all are the various factors which provides the, like, which all are contributing towards the software